In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in CapCut. Keeping your media organized saves a ton of time while you edit, and folders are the simplest way to do it. Let's walk through exactly how to set them up and use them confidently. Start by opening CapCut on your computer. You'll want to be in the main editor so you can see your workspace clearly. Look for the Media panel, usually on the left side of the screen. This panel is where your imported videos, images, and audio files appear. If you've just launched the app, you can open an existing project or create a new one so the Media panel is visible. Give the interface a moment to load. Once the panel is active, you're ready for the next move. Inside the Media panel, click the Media section to make sure it's selected. Now, right-click any empty space within that area. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. Can't find an empty spot? Try scrolling to the bottom of the list or clicking away from any selected item. The goal is to bring up the context menu that lets you manage your media library directly from this panel. From the context menu, choose New Folder. CapCut will instantly create a folder in your media panel, typically with a default name highlighted for editing. If the name isn't automatically selected, click once on the folder name to enable renaming. Keep it simple and descriptive so you can find things fast, especially on bigger projects. Now, rename the folder to something meaningful, like A-roll, B-roll, screen recordings, or music. Good naming habits add up when timelines get complex. To add clips, drag and drop existing media from your media panel into the folder. If you haven't imported your files yet, import them as usual first, then drag them into the folder. You can also move items between folders the same way. Just drag them where you want them. This organization happens inside CapCut only. It won't move or delete the original files on your computer, so you can sort freely without worrying about breaking file paths. Need to refine later? You can create more folders, rename them, or rearrange clips anytime. Double-click a folder to view its contents, and use the breadcrumb or back controls to return to your full library. And that's it. Open CapCut, right-click in the Media panel, create a new folder, then rename it and add your clips. With a few thoughtfully named folders, your editing will feel faster, cleaner, and far less stressful. Happy editing!